You know what? For every 10 tons of sugarcane crushed, a sugar mill produces nearly 3 tons of wet bagasse. Bagasse is rich in fiber, and it can bring more economic value by making bagasse into fuel pellets and selling them. What are the key steps in making bagasse into fuel pellets?
The first step. Use a drum dryer to dry bagasse to the 10 to 15% moisture range. Drum dryer is a widely used drying equipment. The hot air enters the dryer barrel from the hot blast stove. The material enters from the feed port. The material is raised by the material raising plate in the dryer, and then the hot air contacts the material and takes away the water in the material.
The second step is to pulverize the raw material into powder with a particle size of 3–5 millimeters. The efficient crusher developed by Yulong Company adopts drum gear coupling direct transmission. The rotor by dynamic balance check can work in positive and negative direction. The feeding port is on the top of the crusher, which can be matched with various feeding mechanisms. Both sides can open the door design, easy to replace the screen, low maintenance cost. In the third step, with the pellet machine to prepare the material into particles. Yulong vertical centrifugal high-efficiency ring mold pellet machine combines the advantages of traditional horizontal ring mold and flat mold pellet machine, especially suitable for biomass pelleting. The mold is made of stainless steel with high wear resistance and vacuum quenching. Ultra-high-speed gun drill holes of high finish. The mold is wearable and easy to use. The surface of the press wheel adopts robot surfacing welding wear-resisting material, which greatly improves the life of the press wheel.
The main shaft is thickened by 15%, and the new high-stiffness bearing structure is adopted. Compared with the previous generation of machine, the bearing capacity is doubled, and the failure rate of the particle machine is reduced.
Shandong Yulong, 24 years to serve 10,000 customers, is committed to creating maximum value for customers. Tel 86186156922322.